We're speaking with Randy Kjelden today from Sterling Technologies about a brand new product that you're introducing called Immunel. Can you tell us a little bit about Immunel, how it came about, and what you've learned about it?
Absolutely, Tom. Immunel is actually a concentrated fraction of colostrum. Colostrum, as we've discussed, is the perfect food. It's totally complete. Our scientists have found that by taking part of that component from colostrum, it actually makes it more potent and faster acting. By removing some of the other components of colostrum and leaving the small peptides and things that are really responsible for cell communication and a lot of good activity, we can see that we get benefit from these products in a lot quicker method. Actually, when dissolving a tablet in the mouth, you can get activity immediately.
So it acts that fast that
right
as you eat it, chew it, or...
Yep, that's right. It just it sets up a signal to the immune system to say, you know, let's wake up, let's do our job for the day.
So as you say, this is a fraction of colostrum. Colostrum, one of its benefits is that it provides antibodies in the form of the Ig and some other things. So how is this different than regular colostrum?
It would be an antibody precursor. Instead of borrowing the antibodies from the cow and making use of it in our bodies, which is a good thing to do, this product actually stimulates our own antibody response. So it sets up an information network that speeds up your body's awareness of maybe invaders such as bacteria and viruses, and it actually stimulates the cells that make antibodies.
So in other words, this is taking advantage of what we call our own innate immune system,
right?
As opposed to the other, where, as you said, we're borrowing the immunity that comes from colostrum. This product doesn't do that, but it does something quite different. It stimulates your own ability to do that.
Exactly. And one of the areas that we're really excited about this is in the older people, because as we age, our innate immune system gets a little bit sluggish. Our macrophage, neutrophils, and things like that slow down and aren't quite as able to fire quickly. And this product seems to stimulate that. And we hope to see great advantages to the aging population.
Have you done research on Immunel so far, and what have you found?
Yeah, we've done a fair amount of preliminary human cell culture work. We're seeing that macrophages, the first eaters that are in your system, and also, of course, their job is to transfer information of what they ate to the rest of the cells and get everybody ready to do their job. But we've seen the activity of the macrophage double. In other words, when we've put them in a situation where they're exposed to a fluorescent bead that would act like a bacteria, these macrophages are eating twice as many as the untreated. In fact, more than twice as many.
So just the simple use of Immunel increases the activity of the macrophages? And what about some of the other defenders that we have?
The macrophage is the one that we've studied right now. We are looking at other components that will be very exciting. Some of the visual things that we've noticed that people that have taken the product, added energy, added alertness. Of course, the absence of flus and colds, but a real feeling of well-being.
Sounds like a very interesting product, something we look forward to hearing a lot more about.
It's a great product. One thing we need to remember, make sure people don't take it at night.
Why would that be?
Their brains won't go to sleep.
Oh, really? So it's that stimulating, and so it's definitely, you would recommend it in the morning.
Morning.
Thank you, Randy.
Thank you, Tom.